Okay, so I'm going to do a room tour because I switched rooms with my brother and I finally got all my stuff in my room. There are some boxes in my brother's room that I need to get out and go through, probably put them under my bed or something until I clean out the closet because he lived in here and it was a mess. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and do a room tour. So, when you come in, basically that's, for me, that's my name and my favorite color, and this is my boyfriend's and his favorite color. So, yeah. Then I got my fan, because it does get hot when he's over, and then I've got my walker, or my cane, because we found out I have some nerve issues in my left leg. And then I have this painting, which is what his mom got me one day for Valentine's Day or something, when we were in high school. And then I got these. My mom ordered that one. She got me that for my birthday. And then over here I have a desk, and right by the door is a shelf full of stuff like makeup, Lily stuff, hair. It's pretty much what's up here. And then the second shelf is arts and crafts and cups because it's for my painting and my tarot cards. The bottom is just like mail or junk or whatever that I don't need. And then we got my desk, which has my lamp because, you know, I do not like my overhead light, but, you know, that's life. My drink, my books, my cigarettes, everything. Picture of me and my boyfriend right there. Picture I painted and drew myself. And then, yeah, so next to that is my bed, which under it you can see is some stuff. And then I have my sandals right there because sometimes I wear these, sometimes I wear those when I get out of bed. And then I just finished straightening my hair, so I'm going to put my brush back up on my desk. And then we have a spot for the dog because Lily likes to come in here and lay under my blanket. Well, now she has her own little spot full of her blankets, which those are not all of her blankets. She still has a whole bunch more in the other room before I switch over. And then my boyfriend gave me this. It's a thing for clothes. So socks, underwear, all that stuff. Shirts, pants and skirts and stuff. And then, of course, I keep my laptop on it because it does need to charge, and the charging port is kind of small. So, and then I have my cups that I use, and then my lotion. Then I've got his weight in my room because, you know, he works out. I don't, but he does. And then we've got this, which I've painted. So if anybody wants paintings, I'm doing them like this, kind of, except some are going to be smaller. It depends on what I can afford. Basically, it would be... for these, it'd be 15, and then for smaller, it'd be like 5 or 10. And then I've got my boyfriend hung this up because this is what I made for him for our 1 year. So, yeah. The little ghost I made with the kids when I was working at Primetime. And then my dream catcher, of course, which I Love You to the Moon and Back behind it. And then I've got my curtains. Finally, they're on rods instead of on bobby pin and push pins. Then I've got a shoe rack, which has all my shoes on it that I usually wear. The pink ones I don't really wear as much, but the white and the black and all that shoes, yeah, I do wear. And then over here I've got my clothes. These are all the clothes that I still haven't gone through. I had gotten a whole bunch of clothes a while back from someone on the other side of town. And so a lot of dresses, skirts, stuff like that are in here. And I've got my TV, which I'm watching Friends, so. And then I've got my laundry hamper, and then this is filled with a whole bunch of stuff, and then I have like all sorts of stuff behind it and on it, and yeah. So basically I've lived in this room for a couple weeks since my birthday, and I actually love it. It's quite big, it's quite easier to move around, and it's quite easy to keep clean and organized because the smaller room didn't do that for me. So, you know, that's life. And of course I got books on this shelf, and books, journals, calendars, stuff like that down there. And then of course like different things are around my room, on the floor and whatnot. But I do love this room, and so we're gonna put like a shelf over there and then something, I don't know what yet. Yeah,